Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best miter saw stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch T4B Gravity-Rise. We have come to expect top quality and high performance products from Bosch, and the Bosch T4B Gravity-Rise fulfills beyond expectations. This model is adjustable, courtesy of Bosch's patented Gravity-Rise system that allows quick setup as well as takedown. It boasts a load capacity of up to 18 feet of material, which happens to be the highest among fully portable models. Speaking of portability, the T4B comes with 8 inches pneumatic wheels for easy movement on the job site. Even when attached with the heaviest miter saw, it's unlikely that the saw will tip over during movement. At 76 pounds, this model is quite on the heavy side, therefore the factory wheels come in handy on tricky terrain. We like the universal aspect of this unit, in that the featured quick-release tool mounts allow the use of any miter saw. That's a huge advantage because you don't necessarily need to have Bosch miter saws to work with the stand. Furthermore, locking your miter saw in place is simple. Just shift the mounts over the center rail and you're good to go. A quick flip of the lock levers releases your saw after work as well. The mounts are virtually unbreakable in durability. In addition, Bosch fitted the stand with adjustable leveling feet, which ensure stability on uneven grounds. If you are looking for a versatile stand that you can move along without removing your saw, then you can't go wrong with this model. It's a bit pricey, but well worth the investment. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt DWX726. The DeWalt DWX726 comes from a reputable manufacturer of industrial power tools with the promise of making your woodworking easy. The first thing you notice on this model is a solid steel frame that is able to withstand a load of 300 pounds. This is more than sufficient for non-professional level, heavy jobs. Featuring wide adjustable in-feed and out-feed supports, the stand is able to hold up to 8 feet of material. The length seems on the shorter side compared to what the Bosch T4B can support, for example, which is why this DeWalt version is only suitable for smaller projects. DeWalt still ensured this unit has a competitive edge by equipping it with adjustable mounting rails that adapt to almost every available miter saw. The addition of wide rubber grip wheels not only ensures easy mobility on the job site, but stability as well. Stability is further enhanced by normal legs, built on one end of the unit. This unit arrives in parts, thus home assembly is required. It comes with the necessary instructions, but some customer reviews suggest they aren't useful enough. It's worth mentioning that the DWX726 is adjustable to 3 positions, thanks to pneumatic-assisted height raising and lowering for ultimate flexibility. It weighs a manageable 67 pounds and the stand can fold vertically to save on space when not in use. DeWalt offers a generous 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Overall, this stand is an ideal pick for a DIYer who needs to move their miter saw at home or around their workshop. At number 3, we have the ToughBuilt TB-S550. The ToughBuilt TB-S550 is a sturdy stand that works with most miter saw brands available on the market. It has 4 material supports, which allow extension up to 124 inches. That's over 10 feet of material support, while the unit's height of 33.5 inches enables cutting of longer pieces without sagging. The unit features quick-release mounts, which allow you to remove your saw and use it off the stand on a level base. In fact, there are 2 tool mounts to enable mounting of multiple tools such as miter saw and chop saw together. It additionally has robust and easy-to-use twist locks. For mobility, the stand comes with solid rubber tires to navigate effortlessly on site. The tires are the Never Go Flat type and they contribute significantly to stability. Leg locks are also a useful feature of this model, making for easy setup and takedown. In terms of the build, the unit utilizes heavy-duty steel to provide strength and support. It weighs a mere 23 pounds, making it easy to carry from one job site to another. A 2.4-inch box frame stand adds more strength to the structure, while it includes cam locks to help extend the material supports one-handedly. Also supplied with the stand are support pegs to allow safe storage of important materials off the ground. Without a doubt, the ToughBuilt TB-S550 is a well-designed unit for woodworking enthusiasts. It is a class above most models out there with some unique features. Although the maximum weight support has not been specified, many users have commented on the stand's durability and ability to withstand the weight of a multitude of miter saws. At number 2, we have the BORA Portamate PM4000. The BORA Portamate PM4000 is a functional, frustration-free miter saw stand intended for contractor-size saws. The frame features tubular steel with the strength to support up to 500 pounds of material. Combined with easy setup and folding design, the PM400 makes the perfect job site stand to get things done quickly. In addition, the folding legs swing under the middle position and are secured by clips for safe transportation and storage. When it comes to material support, the unit has extendable supports on either side up to 116 inches long, allowing loading of over 10 feet long material. The best miter saw stand should facilitate quick mounting and releasing of tools, and the PM400 certainly offers this freedom to work with different tools. In fact, upon mounting your miter saw, you will benefit greatly from the stand's comfortable working height of 36 inches. It not only makes your work efficient but also promotes stability and precision. In addition, this model can be upgraded with the addition of a wheels kit, sold separately, to increase maneuverability at your job site. It includes 2x6-inch wheels plus hardware, and they simply snap securely onto the main unit without the need for using any tools. And finally at number 1, we have the Protocol Equipment 92778. On a budget? Why not customize a simple tool mounting workstation using the Protocol Equipment 92778? It comes as a mounting unit only, ready to be coupled with a metal or wooden stand of your choice, or even mounted to a table. It also works with the Protocol 67103 and 67104 sawhorses, while it can be used as a standalone unit as well. We like the solid construction of this unit featuring high-grade, corrosion and rust-resistant steel for maximum durability. It additionally provides enough strength to support up to 500 pounds of material capacity. Another positive attribute is the universal mount of this unit, allowing it to work with various miter saws on the market. This is made possible by the adjustable tool mount brackets with adapters. It also comes with J-lock mounts for securing your miter saw in place, and it's easy to swap whenever a different saw is needed. What's more, this unit can increase your storage options in ways that you could never have imagined. Simply use it to secure a few of your bench tools to walls whenever your workshop space is limited. All in all, this doesn't seem a one-off miter saw stand, but for those who like to get crafty, the Protocol 92778 is your perfect match. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.